Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for all the music lovers out there. The Promate VuTune high fidelity hybrid ANC over-ear wireless headphone. And trust me, these are not your regular headphones. Let's dive right in. Well, coming up with the design of the headphone, these are something really different. Not just an over-the-ear headphones with normal flip and fold design and all other basic features, but this has got some exclusive thing that is a touch screen display. We will talk and discuss about it more and further, but let's come up to the sound quality and performance. The audio quality is just next level with high definition sound. Every beat, every notes, every lyric feels incredibly rich and clear. Whether you're vibing to music or binge watching your favorite series, it's an absolute treat. And I'm a real big fan of it. The bass quality, the bass is quite crisp and the depth is super amazing. Now let's talk about what truly sets VuTune apart, the detachable magnetic LCD touch screen controller. Well, this detachable magnetic LCD touch controller can be used to control the volume, switch tracks and activate noise cancellation. All with a simple touch. No more reaching your phone every time, neither clicking out the buttons on the headphone. You just have to pick it out and you can change and control things on the hand. Also, the most important thing of this touch screen is that this comes with a built-in battery, so you can detach it and you can charge it whenever it gets discharged. And the best part, it comes with a Type-C port, so it's become very easy to use it all the time. Also, you get some other cool features like you can watch the time, you can use it as a torch, and some other cool features. Now, when you're controlling the hybrid active noise cancellation mode with the screen, you can experience a 35 decibel noise reduction in your surrounding, which means it blocks all out background noise perfectly, giving you a truly immersive listening experience whether you're commuting, working, or just relaxing at home. Another massive win for this headphone is that it comes with a 50 hours of playtime. Yes, you heard that right, 50 hours on a single charge. Plus, with Type-C fast charging, you're back to full battery in no time. Now, as I've already talked about the design, because design is one of the most key aspects when you're using a headphone, because most of the users use it for the long run and long time. So first thing, it's an over-ear headphone, so you don't have to be worrying about the pain on the ears. Second thing, it comes with a flip and fold design that makes it super travel friendly. Also, the brand has given you the case to carry it around with you. Also, there is a lightweight stainless steel adjustable headband and ergonomic soft ear pads, which is built for all day comfort. No ear fatigue, no headache, just pure non-stop listening pleasure.